Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the room shape and gathering tools: tape measure, pencil, paper, calculator. Begin at one corner and measure the longest length along the wall, then the widest width perpendicular to that length. Write both numbers clearly and include units. Once done, repeat measurements at opposite walls to check consistency and average if they differ. Doing this first ensures accurate base dimensions for area calculation and avoids rework later. Now break irregular rooms into simple parts: rectangles, squares, and triangles. Measure each subshape's necessary sides, length and width for rectangles, base and height for triangles, and label them A, B, C. Calculate each subarea using formulas. Rectangle equals length times width, triangle equals 0, 5 times base times height. Make sure units match across all parts. Once you compute each subarea, you can sum them to get the total room area accurately. Finally, add up every subarea to get the room's total area, keeping consistent units. Convert only if required. Check your arithmetic with a calculator and round to a practical precision. If you're buying flooring or paint, add a 5 to 10% allowance for cuts and waste. If totals don't match earlier estimates, remeasure the most suspect segment once more to catch mistakes. A single wrong dimension often explains discrepancies and is an easy fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.